Today we are solving that age-old question of how to make broccoli palatable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve that age-old problem of how to make broccoli something people want to eat. So of course, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and simple cheese sauce to pour on top of that broccoli or cauliflower as a dip for your breadsticks or on top of your potatoes. I mean, really, there's a lot of different ways you can use this. So if you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe and let me show you how to make that cheese sauce. Here's my big tip. Make sure you use extra sharp cheese for extra cheddar flavor. Thanks for watching. Wasn't that cheese sauce so amazing looking and so simple to make? If you haven't yet, make sure you like and leave a comment below with your favorite way to use cheese sauce. Broccoli, cauliflower, potato, let me know.